Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Aloysius Primary from Kingston up against Broughton Primary from Westmoreland. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So earlier we had the coin toss. St. Aloysius 1 decided to have Broughton go first. And in section 1, we will ask the teams questions alternately. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge. Broughton, what instrument was King David known for playing?
Harp. Harp.
Correct. St. Aloysius, which king asked Daniel to interpret his dream?
Nebuchadnezzar.
That's correct. Science, Broughton, what type of natural resource is the sun?
Renewable resource.
Correct. St. Aloysius, the trachea carries air to and from which organ in the human body?
The lungs.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. Broughton, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mitchell.
Incorrect, it's Howard Mitchell, PSO president. St. Aloysius, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect, it's David Wan, president of the Jamaica Employers Federation. English language is next. Broughton, spell accordion, which is a musical instrument.
Accordian.
Incorrect, Accordion. St. Aloysius, spell camouflage, which means to cover up or disguise.
Camouflage.
Correct. Television, this is a visual. Broughton, look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this cartoon character.
Wilma Rubble.
Incorrect, it's Betty Rubble. St. Aloysius, look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this cartoon character.
Bam Bam.
The answer is incomplete. First and last name is Bam Bam Rubble. Broughton, general knowledge for you. Who is the Prime Minister of Barbados?
Mia Motley.
Correct. St. Aloysius, who is the Prime Minister of St. Lucia?
Keith Mitchell.
Incorrect, it's Alan Chastany. Social studies. Broughton, what regular occurrence causes a place to experience day and night daily?
Rotation
of the Earth and its axis.
That's correct. St. Aloysius, which celestial body takes approximately 27 days to orbit the Earth?
The moon.
Correct. Music. Broughton, what name is given to a half note?
Minim.
Correct. St. Aloysius, what name is given to a quarter note?
Quaver.
Incorrect, it's a crotchet. Broughton, mathematics for you. What is the sum of 2,360, 257, 62, and 9?
Two, 7, 5, 8.
Incorrect, 2,688. St. Aloysius, what is the sum of 2,359, 548, 94, and 7? Passes to Broughton. Would you like to try?
3508.
Incorrect, 3008. Sports is next. This is a visual. Broughton, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jeffrey Dujan.
Incorrect, it's Curtly Ambrose, former West Indies bowler. St. Aloysius, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Courtney Walsh.
Former West Indies bowler, that's correct. And that is the bell. End of section 1 has Broughton and St. Aloysius tied on 5. And we go for a break, but before we go, listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. Get your day off to a healthy starting by eating breakfast each morning. Breakfast kickstarts the body and makes it easier to maintain lasting energy throughout the school day. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.